So if you're watching this video, you're probably wondering how old is my budgie? Okay, so let me start off by telling you this. There's no absolute way to tell how old your budgie is unless you know when they were born. So usually a budgie is 4 to 6 months, 3 to 6 months that are put in pet stores. And a young budgie will have bars on the head like so, like the crown part. All of this yellow is not supposed to have bars. If it have bars, that means that your budgie is under 6 months old. So mine is just starting to molt, so you can see the pin feathers, kind of see the pin feathers coming in. And then another way to tell that it's young, because the black slits on his face will be half instead of circle. Mature budgies will have circle dots on their crown, and young budgies won't. And when you get a budgie that's just molting, then you're looking at a budgie around 5 months old. So you have to go about it differently than finding out the exact age. You just have to make a birthday for your bird. So I would say that he's approximately almost 6 months old. So I would take off 5 months of this, of 5 months, dang. I would take off 5 months from this year, and I'm guessing he would be born in January, because 5 months, yeah, is June now. Yeah, yeah. So you take 5 months off the age, and he would be born in January. And you can pick a date. That's how you go about it. And if you get a mature budgie, then you're kind of out of luck, because once they lose their black slits on their face and the bars off their head, then they're mature, and they could be 1 year to however old they are. So that's how you go about it. So there's no absolute way to tell how old your budgie is.